Could this be the spark that kicks off the most intense race in artificial intelligence? Stay tuned to find out how one company might transform tech as we know it, a ripple in markets. The introduction of DeepSeek's R1 sent shockwaves through the stock market, causing a swift reaction among investors. According to NBC News, several major U.S. tech stocks plummeted amid concerns that this new competitor, with its remarkably low operating costs, could divert business away from long-standing players. Even seasoned market analysts admit that the emergence of an inexpensive yet high-performing AI model out of China was not entirely expected. Such market ripples highlight the delicate balance that technology companies maintain in their quest for dominance. While some see the shakeup as a predictable outcome given the cluttered AI sector, others believe DeepSeek's model signals a new trend in AI development, one where cost efficiency and agility can outmaneuver deep pockets and established reputations. For many investors, it's more than a momentary disruption. This could be the first page in a more competitive and less predictable chapter of AI innovation, technological advancements, and industry skepticism. While the excitement surrounding R1 grows, some experts maintain a cautious stance. Reports from Yahoo Finance note that certain analysts have questions about DeepSeek's claims of dramatically reduced training costs. After all, the notion of building a cutting-edge language model at only a fraction of the usual expense might seem too good to be true. Skeptics argue that the potential for hidden costs and possible limitations must not be overlooked in the rush to crown R1 as the new industry darling. Even so, these dissenting voices have done little to dampen the curiosity and hope that R1 has generated. Regardless of whether the numbers can be fully substantiated, there's no denying that DeepSeek has managed to capture global attention, spurring conversations about future directions in generative AI research. Global economic implications. According to reports from Al Jazeera, the unveiling of R1 reverberated across international markets, with stock prices of tech-related and semiconductor companies dropping in tandem. This reaction underscores just how interconnected the global landscape of AI technology has become. What was initially seen as a strictly regional development now underscores a shift toward a more level playing field in AI innovation and competition. Beyond market fluctuations, the deeper story lies in how R1 showcases China's ability to carve out a competitive edge on the global stage. For nations looking to increase their technological footprints, a new wave of AI that prioritizes cost-effectiveness could open doors for commercial and research applications around the world. In short, this isn't just about one country's AI milestone. It's an event that might alter the balance of power in the broader tech sphere. Strategic and geopolitical dimensions. DeepSeek's accomplishments have drawn substantial interest from policymakers in China. As noted in several reports and highlighted by Economic Times, the potential for homegrown AI solutions plays neatly into aspirations for national technology independence. The move has already prompted speculation that China's leadership could leverage DeepSeek's success story as a rallying cry for enhanced research and development, with an eye on staying ahead of U.S. export controls. These developments demonstrate the growing interplay between technological innovation and geopolitical strategy. If combined with supportive regulations and well-funded research initiatives, DeepSeek's trajectory might become a blueprint for how countries can circumvent external constraints while bolstering internal capabilities. The question remains whether other nations will reciprocate in kind, intensifying the global AI arms race and further polarizing the tech world along strategic fault lines. Investor reactions and opportunities. Wall Street analysts are revisiting long-standing assumptions about where to put their capital, especially in AI infrastructure and data centers. As reported by Yahoo Finance, DeepSeek's low-cost model has prompted both caution and enthusiasm among seasoned investors. On one hand, there's fear that established leaders in AI could lose market share. On the other, there's excitement over potential new investment avenues that might arise from disruptive innovations. Looking at the bigger picture, it's clear that DeepSeek symbolizes far more than just another AI company seeking relevance in a competitive space. Its story reflects an industry ready for transformation, where breakthroughs can come from unlikely places and upset decades of conventional thinking. For those willing to adapt quickly, the opportunities could be enormous. Personally, I believe that as AI technology becomes more democratized, markets will inevitably adjust, possibly leveling the playing field in surprising ways. This might invite a new era of collaboration among researchers and investors alike, paving the way for a future where game-changing ideas can come from anywhere. That brings us to the end of today's in-depth coverage. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing to Glenn Rhodes' channel for more updates and insights on pivotal tech stories. Get ready for more thrilling developments in AI. It's a field that's only getting more fascinating and unpredictable.